Alright, what's going on, folks? You had a problem with your shower or in your tub to where, like, even when you have the water turned all the way off, that it still drips out of your faucet pretty much? The problem could be is you actually have a shower cartridge that's behind your knob and behind a couple of different screw-ons that hold everything going. It's easy to change this. The first thing you need to do is turn off the water supply that's going to the shower. There's not an actual valve in most houses, a shut-off valve that you could turn off to turn it off just to the shower itself. So what you'll need to do is actually turn off the water supply going to the whole house. And once you've done that, normally you'll have like a little middle thing. I've already taken this one off in the middle of the shower handle that you can pop out. And once you've done that, there'll be a screw in the middle that you can screw out, and this should make your handle come off like this. And once your handle's off, what you'll see is this. This part right here, behind here, is actually it's called your shower cartridge. And to remove this cartridge, this top piece right here will spin off. I'm about to spin this one off. Sometimes you may need like a grip to turn a big one in the back, but this one happens just to be a screw in the front. So as you can see, I'm screwing this off of here like this. And once I have this off, now I have access to my shower cartridge, which is this right here. And you kind of wiggle this out. So this right here is your shower cartridge. And if you can see on this one, it's messed up, it's broke. See how it's like raising up like that? Which this one won't stop the water from coming out of your faucet or your shower. So this needs to be replaced. I'm going to be replacing it with this new one right here. So the first thing that I want to do is make sure that I put it in. These little black rubber pieces should be in the back of the new one. You also want to know exactly what type of shower that you have. That way you're able to get the correct shower cartridge to go with your shower. This happens to be an Elger, an E-L-J-E-R shower. So I was able to get an Elger shower thing. And what you want to do is put this, you'll see like a little spot that's on your actual shower cartridge itself. You'll see like a little indentation that's inside of the actual housing. You want to slide it in. First, make sure that you got your rubber seals in the back, that those are in. And then you want to just slide this new one inside of here, pressing it back, all the way back like that. And once you have it back, the next thing you want to do is actually take you want to push it back into that gap. And then you take your screw, your covering, and screw that on really tight. You want to make sure that that screws all the way back. I'm going to use a pair of vice grips to get it nice and tight. Alright, now that I have that nice and tight on there, I'm pretty much done. And I can go ahead on and put back on my knob and put the screw and stuff back on there, and I'm done. Alright, once again folks, this is how you would change out your shower cartridge if you have a problem with your shower to where the water keeps on dripping from out of your faucet even though you have the water turned completely off. Alright, thanks. Please subscribe and check out our other great videos and share. Thanks.